I am speaking from Newton study. I am going to teach physics of class 10th. At present time, I am teaching physics which is related to chapter reflection of light. In the previous video, I have taught some important notations, some important formula, what is light, properties of light, what is beam, a ray, after this luminous and non-luminous objects. Now I am going to teach about mirror. What is mirror? A smooth, highly polished reflecting surface is called a mirror. A smooth, highly polished reflecting surface is called a mirror. Generally, we use looking glass. Looking glass is made by depositing a thin layer of silver metal, and to protect the silver layer, red lead oxide is coated. Red lead oxide paint is coated to protect the silver layer. A smooth, highly polished reflecting surface is called a mirror. Generally, used looking glass is made by depositing a thin layer of silver metal on one side of a plain glass sheet. The silver metal layer is then protected by a coating of red lead oxide paint. In all kinds of mirror, silver layers act as the reflecting surface. Any surface, any smooth surface, any polished surface which reflects the light according to the laws of reflection, that is known as mirror. Hence, a smooth, highly polished surface, polished reflecting surface is known as mirror. Generally, one side of mirror is coated with a thin layer of silver metal because silver is the best reflector of light. Silver reflects 100% of light. Hence, it is considered the best reflector of light. There are two types of mirrors: plane mirror or a spherical mirror. Plane mirror, a mirror whose reflecting surface is plane is known as plane mirror. A mirror whose reflecting surface is plane is called plane mirror. This figure represents plane mirror. This face is reflecting surface, other face is coated side. This figure represents plane mirror. A spherical mirror, a mirror which is a part of hollow sphere and whose reflecting surface is a part of a sphere. This is known as a spherical mirror. A mirror whose reflecting surface is a part of hollow sphere of glass is called a spherical mirror. It means that a spherical mirror is a part of a hollow sphere of glass whose reflecting surface is part of a sphere. For a spherical mirror, one of the two curved surfaces is coated with a thin layer of silver followed by a coating of red lead oxide paint. स्फेरिकल मिरर जो है प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, मेड करने के लिए जो है उसके वन साइड पर जो है सिल्वर लेयर का कोटेड कर दिया जाता है, पेंट चढ़ा दिया जाता है। यदि उसके आउटर पार्ट पर जो है सिल्वर कोटेड होता है और इनर पार्ट जो है रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस होता है, वो कनकेव मिरर होता है। यदि इनर पार्ट जो है सिल्वर कोटिंग पार्ट होता है और आउटर पार्ट जो है रिफ्लेक्टिंग वल्गिंग पार्ट जो है रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस होता है, उसको कन्वेक्स मिरर कहते हैं। द स्फेरिकल मिरर मे बी क्लासिफाइड एज कनकेव मिरर एंड कन्वेक्स मिरर। कनकेव मिरर, a spherical mirror whose inner hollow surface is the reflecting surface is called a concave mirror. A mirror whose inner part of a hollow sphere is the reflecting surface is known as concave mirror. मैंने जिस मिरर का जो है इनर पार्ट, होलो स्फेयर का इनर पार्ट जो है रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस होता है, उसको हम कनकेव मिरर कहते हैं। ए स्फेरिकल मिरर हुज रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस इज द इनर पार्ट ऑफ ए होलो स्फेयर इज नोन एज कनकेव मिरर। नेक्स्ट, कन्वेक्स मिरर, ए स्फेरिकल मिरर whose bulging part, outer part is the reflecting surface of a hollow sphere is known as convex mirror. This figure represents concave mirror, that figure represents convex mirror. In this figure, inner part is reflecting surface, outer part is coated. In this figure, inner part is coated, outer part is reflecting surface. It means that the mirror whose inner part is the reflecting surface of a hollow sphere is known as concave mirror. A spherical mirror whose outer part, bulging part is the reflecting surface is known as convex mirror. Now I stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. At last I say you want to complete your syllabus, you must subscribe Newton Study. Thank you.